Meet 10-year-old Gavin from San Diego, California. Like most kids his age, Gavin loves to build Lego and hang out with his pet guinea pig, Buddy. But unlike most children his age, Gavin suffers from a rare genetic disease, as well as type 1 diabetes, which means he needs daily treatments and regular trips to hospital. There's no national healthcare service here like there is in the UK, so Gavin's conditions are currently covered by the Affordable Care Act, or Obamacare as it's sometimes known, which provides low-cost insurance options to people who earn under a certain amount of money each year. But that could soon change. The Trump administration wants to scrap the Affordable Care Act, which could leave over 50 million people with pre-existing conditions, including COVID-19, cancer and diabetes, without insurance.
It's an incredible amount of stress. Personally, I think on your marriage, relationships, sleeping, I think, even my health it's at the bottom of the list now. Because my worry is my son. And, aside from the full-time job and all of that, my worry is my son. And there isn't anything I would do to, keep him alive. So all parents who have children are stressed, and then parents who have children with special needs, it's at a different level. And, Gavin also has autism and ADHD. So we have some behavioral and emotional challenges as well. So it's definitely time consuming, but, he's the most important thing to me. So.
San Diego is known as America's finest city, but just a few miles away, and another mum is losing sleep over her child's health coverage too. Diana Mauer, who's originally from Hampshire, is considering moving back to the UK if she can't get insurance to cover her 12-year-old son's frequent and very expensive operations.
From birth, I pretty much knew within 24 hours that we were facing 2 surgeries at 6 months and a year old. And then he got really sick, and at 18 months had another surgery. And then at 8 years old had a 4th surgery and just had another surgery last year. And for just example, one of those surgeries without health insurance cost $138,000. Which is unimaginable, obviously, to us coming from having grown up with the national health insurance, which is amazing, by the way. So with our health insurance, with a good health insurance, our portion was $12,000. So you can imagine we've had 5 surgeries, and we're looking at a potential, or actually, a definite surgery through his teenage years. So this is a very important vote for us.
The future of the Affordable Care Act is now in the hands of the Supreme Court, which will hear arguments for and against scrapping it just a week after the election. Despite the pandemic, people are still celebrating Halloween here, but it's an especially scary time for those with medical issues who fear they may not be able to get health insurance to cover their conditions in the future. Claire Renwick for Radio News Hub in San Diego, California.